Okay, so I took down the radiator heater, gas powered. Wanted that removed, so that's been removed. This is what controlled it here. I don't know if you want to leave it for any reason, but I'll just leave it for now in case you need it for something. And then we're going to go ahead and pull the supply line off. I guess we're not going to use it anymore. So we'll take that off and cap it off. Okay. So we'll go ahead and redope this. Basically, we're going to take the 2 wrenches and turn that so it's real snug. One wrench kind of just sits there to hold it. Alright. Real good sight. Okay. Alright. That's pretty snug. Alright. There we go. It's all capped off. Alright, let's get the gas back on. Alright. We'll turn it off for a minute. Let that give it an overall check around, make sure everything's good.
What is the gas leak?
No, just making sure everything's good. I took that one off and just was capping that off. Okay, so we're gonna look for bubbles, any bubble issues. All right. Nothing at all. Just overall check. See them bubbles right there? Interesting enough, this isn't detecting it. It's really minute, but you can see the bubbles coming out. So that's got a leak. See it? See how that air is coming out? So we got one there. It's so minute that I can't even, the gas checker don't even see it. Everything else looks good. All we have to do is just take that off and redope it. Everything else is holding okay. I don't see any other problems. Definitely got one here though. Yeah. Yep, just one. Just one. I say just one leak, that's it.
Just one.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, it's bubbling real good. So it's coming out through there. But,
Hello?
not a big deal. It's enough though. It needs. I can redo that real fast.
Oh, you probably need to get out there and get something done today. So you can make sure you be finished by tomorrow. If the weather permit tomorrow. I'll make sure you get bus there.
Yeah, so that's fine. That's so minute my detector can't even see it. But them bubbles definitely found it. I'll check something else real quick.
just get over here and get something done. And I'll just slide through here and motherfucker make sure you got both of them prepared to get back. Cause like I said, that shit should have been in there. And I'm getting my ass chewed out about that. Should make me look like a douchebag. I had to tell the owner to look at that. You need to be getting going. So we tell the owner anything good that we gonna get it wrapped up. So we at least need to attempt. I don't know if we're talking to the tenants or not. That's what I'm at with. So you're going over there, right? What time the bus will get you there, man?
You can't hear it. It's not loud enough.
No, I might as well just come get you and then drop you off and let you fucking do what you need to do and decide.
Alright, so we redoped the cap here, and I got the gas back on, so we'll go ahead and spray it again. See if any bubbles come up, and I don't think there will because I got it on there real good. And what I use for my solution is I get a nice solution of Dawn, and that works real good. Put it in a basic squirt bottle. That does the trick for me. And now remember, we had a lot of nice little bubbles float coming out earlier, and now I don't see nothing. Looks good. Yeah. Yeah, see, you'll see movement like we did earlier, and we solved that pretty fast. It's just nothing but the dope gets bad, might not be tight enough, things like that. Give it a minute, and the repair I did up here, that's nice and tight, no problems on that. Yeah, no problem. Okay. And everything else was good. Let's see any problems with anything else. But yeah, as the bubbles subside and no new ones form at all, then we know we got a nice connection. See how the bubbles basically just going away? No new ones are forming, no fizz. So we're looking for like a fizz. Yep, it's cute. That's fixed. I don't see nothing. Yep. Yeah, there would be something if there was anything. And as you can see, no fizz at all. Harness here, we're looking at if it works or not. So I had to get a handle that was going to fit the valve. Found the valve, turn off valve, and that's right here. I'm going to get a little nut for the top of this. Let's just turn it on. I hear the sound of gas. There it goes. Okay. So you got to kind of light it, kind of manually. Some of them are a little dirty, but Probably just has to run a little bit. Yeah, they're not in the best shape. Kind of give it a chance to, maybe turn it up a little more. Give it a little more gas. Try to get them holes to clean out a little bit. They don't really like staying lit, do they? Too well. That really gets hot fast though. So that really does work. So it works. I mean, some of the holes don't want to really stay lit perfectly, but probably just dirty and stuff. Need some time to clean out. And you can kind of relight them a little bit. Eventually they'll probably clear themselves out as they burn a while. Just want to confirm that does work. And then the little valve, you turn it back and it fully cuts off. And what we'll do also is do a little gas check on that. All right, so let's just check for any gas leaks or anything in the area. Looks like it's fine. I don't see nothing. We'll do a little bubble test just right there, just to see if there's anything. But pretty sure it's all good because the valve kind of controls within the brick itself, so I don't think there'll be any issues there. So yeah, it's all good. I don't see nothing. So yeah, I just need to get a nut for that handle and then we can be done with that. All right, so we're putting a new handle on this valve and got a new handle, and then we're gonna put a new, put a clip on that and hold it in place. And there we go. So now, there you go. Now I got a new handle on there. And it rides on a washer below it, so that's good for that. Okay, and now we're gonna give it a test. So here we go. We turn it on, hit it. Good. Yep. There it is. That's a nice little furnace. Like I said, some of these are probably clogged up a little bit, or gonna have to be burned out a little bit. But other than that, it's cool. And then with the valve, you just basically turn it off. That's it. Boom. Perfect. So that's all done. Got a new valve. It's back off.